today I'll discuss about acute pancreatitis. At first, I will discuss about the anatomy of pancreas, then physiology of pancreas, then pathophysiology of acute pancreatitis, then a clinical feature, investigation, treatment, diet of an acute pancreatitis patient, Glasgow Coma score and complication. Now, I'll discuss the anatomy. Pancreas presented with C-shaped duodenum. This is duodenum, this is pancreas. It is divided into three parts. This is head, body and tail. This head is this is a major ampulla of bladder. Pancreas, this is a major duct. This is acini. This is red structure is islets of Langerhans. There is a million of islets of Langerhans presented in pancreas. Now I will discuss about the physiology of pancreas. This is, I draw a one islets of Langerhans. This is beta cell, this is alpha cell. Now this is major duct, this is interlobular duct, this is interlobular duct, intercalated duct. This is acini, which is consist of numerous number of acinous cells. Now the physiology of pancreas. Pancreas has both exocrine and endocrine function. Exocrine function secretes enzyme, endocrine function secretes hormone like beta cell secretes insulin, alpha cell glucagon, delta cell and pancreatic polypeptide. Now this is one acinous cells. This is dark color is ribosome and this is endoplasmic reticulum, and this is rough endoplasmic reticulum. In ribosome there is enzyme produced and it stored in Golgi apparatus. Then this enzyme secretes in a membrane. Now as we know that pancreas secretes three enzymes, that one amylase, protease and lipase. Now we discuss about the pathophysiology of acute pancreatitis. Proenzyme stimulation is one of the causes of activated proteolytic enzyme that causes acute pancreatitis. Now we discuss how proenzyme is stimulated. It is stimulated by four causes. One is defective intercellular transport and secretion of zymogen. Second is obstruction of pancreatic duct and hypersensitivity of pancreas and sphincter of OD dysfunction. Now, premature activation of trypsinogen release protease that digest or autophagy pancreas own acini. Activation of proteolytic enzyme causes acute pancreatitis. Enterokinase, which convert trypsinogen to trypsin, but when there is any sphincter of destruction like any gallstone, gallstone in the ampulla of bladder, then enterokinase, which is secreted from the duodenum, cannot divide trypsinogen from trypsinogen to trypsin. That trypsinogen causes autophagy. Now this is the four major causes of acute pancreatitis. We discuss about the causes. This is one is gallstone, alcohol and post ERCP idiopathic. We can remember by I get smashed. I for idiopathic, G for gallstone, E for ERCP, T for trauma, S for steroid or surgery, M for mumps, smashed, S for surgery, H for hypokalemia, hypoglycemia, D for drugs. Now I will discuss about the clinical feature of acute pancreatitis. One is upper abdominal pain. Patient complains severe pain in acute pancreatitis, which radiate to back. Patients sit like they are patients sit as Mohammedan position. When in Islam, when Muslims pray, that they sit like Mohammedan position, so it is called Mohammedan positions also. Now, nausea, vomitings occur in acute pancreatitis patient, bowels are absent, discoloration of flanks, which calls Gray Turner syndrome, and periumbilical region, it is called Cullen syndrome. Pleural effusion, jaundice caused by gallstone. If it's caused by gallstone, then jaundice may be found with fever and tachycardia. This is one's abdomen. This is umbilicus. In periumbilical region, it is Cullen syndrome. It is in a flanks, then it is called a Gray Turner syndrome. Now, investigation. What should we investigate in an acute pancreatitis patient? As we know that pancreas secrete three enzymes: amylase, protease, lipase. Lipase help to digest fat, protease help to digest protein, and amylase. So, in investigation, serum amylase and lipase increased. Ultrasonogram in early stage. In early stage, pancreas is not swollen, but in late stage we can see that pancreas is swollen and gallstone may be found. Then CT scan. In CT scan, pancreatic necrosis may be found, and CRP, which is more than 210 milligram per deciliter, because patient is in a catabolic state. This is autophagy its own cell, so cytokines is released, then which C-reactive protein is also increased. Now, as we know that pancreas secretes three enzymes: amylase, protease, lipase. Lipase causes fat necrosis. Now we discuss about the treatment. Treatment is opioid analgesic to treat pain. In acute pancreatitis patient complains severe pain in upper abdomen, so opioid analgesic is must. Then if patient is cannot eat, then NG tube, nasogastric tube should be introduced. But if patient eat, then enteral feeding should be start. Enteral feeding should be start, because this enteral feeding prevent endotoxin plus systemic infection. So enteral feeding is preferred. Then if patient is hypovolemic, normal saline. If patient is in shock, then catheter, urinary catheter. If patient is hypoxic, oxygen. If patient it is caused by gallstone, then treat choledocholithiasis and by laparoscopy. Then if thromboembolism may be found, can be occurred, so low molecular weight heparin. If patient if antibiotic is suspected, then broad spectrum antibiotic. If pancreas necrosis occurs, then necrostomy. Now we have discussed about the complication. Now we discuss about the complication of acute pancreatitis. One is systemic inflammatory response syndrome, then hypoalbuminemia, then hypoglycemia, then hypocalcemia, then pancreatic pseudocyst, then necrosis, abscess. Systemic inflammatory response syndrome because of increased permeability, vascular permeability. This vascular permeability increase secretion of cytokines. Then hypoalbuminemia, increase capillary permeability. Hypoglycemia, the disruption of islets of Langerhans. Then hypocalcemia, sequestration of necrosis, pancreatic necrosis. Then pseudocyst, then disruption of pancreatic duct. Pseudocyst, disruption of pancreatic duct. Necrosis, which because of non-viable tissue or cell is found. Then abscess, because of circumscribed circumscribed localized area, localized pass is occurred abscess. Now we discuss about the diet. What is the diet of an pancreatic? Plenty of water. Take plenty of water. Second is first is take plenty of water. Stop smoking alcohol. Third is high protein intake. Fourth is fat. Decrease fatty food. Now we discuss about the GCS score. GCS score, Glasgow criteria, Glasgow score to diagnose acute pancreatitis. One is age. Age is more than 55 years. Second is oxygen. Oxygen, partial pressure of oxygen kilopascal or 60 millimeter of mercury. Then third is albumin. Albumin is less than 32 millimole per liter, milligram per liter. Then discuss about the hypoalbumin in previous now calcium is less than 2 because hypocalcemia occur, millimole per liter. Fifth is glucose is less than 10 millimole per liter, causes hypoglycemia because of disruption of islets of Langerhans. Calcium hypocalcemia occurs because of sequestration of calcium in necrosis. Seventh is urea. Urea is less than 15. Urea is 16 millimole per liter. Urea is more than 16 millimole per liter. 7th is WBC. WBC is more than 15 into 10 to the power 9 liter. Then 8 is alanine transaminase, which is more than 200. Then alanine aminotransferase is more than 200 unit per liter. Then lactate dehydrogenase is more than 600 unit per liter. Now age is more than 55 years. Oxygen is less than 8 kilopascal or 60 millimeter of mercury. Albumin is less than 32 gram per liter. Then calcium is less than 2 millimole per liter. Then glucose is less than 10 millimole per liter. Urea is more than 16 millimole per liter. WBC is more than 15 into 10 to the power 9 liter. Alanine aminotransferase is more than 200 unit per liter. Lactate dehydrogenase is more than 600 unit per liter. Thank you.